For God so loved the world, that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have eternal life. John chapter 3 verse 16. Rejoice greatly, O daughter of Zion. Shout, O daughter of Jerusalem. Behold, your king is coming to you. He is just and having salvation, lowly and riding on a donkey, a colt, the foal of a donkey. Therefore the Lord himself will give you a sign. Behold, the virgin shall conceive and bear a son, and shall call his name Emmanuel. Isaiah chapter 7 verse 14. But when the fullness of time had come, God sent forth his Son, born of woman, born under the law, to redeem those who were under the law, so that we might receive adoption as sons. Galatians chapter 4 verses 4 to 5. And the Word became flesh and dwelt among us, and we beheld his glory, the glory as of the only begotten of the Father, full of grace and truth. John chapter 1 verse 14. Jesus said to him, I am the way, and the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John chapter 14 verse 6. Thanks be to God for his indescribable gift. 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 15. Created by Abhishek Anoint.